The winner of Workshop Manager of the Year 2022 is Stephen Jones.
Absolutely amazing. Didn't expect to win this at all. There were so many people, good people nominated as well, and for me to come out on top is a big achievement for me.
And now we move on to tonight's final award, Hire Achiever of the Year 2022. So let's welcome back our 3 finalists. The winner, who will be crowned Hire Achiever of the Year 2022, is Stephen Jones.
To achieve these is a big thank you to everybody, in the hire trade who I've met over the last few years. I've met good people, I met friends, and I'm very proud to be in the industry as I am.